Hello everyone, this is sadout.gallery and my name is Sherry. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful piece of art with pine coins. This was a customer order, but you can use it as a table, as a clock, as a piece of art, whatever you like. In the first step, we wash the pine coins, we clean them, we dry them, and then we separate the extra parts. So the pine coins are really clean and dust free. And this is my cat Alfie, who thinks the mold is a box, so he sits inside it. Obviously we take him off. Okay, then I pour about 5 to 10 millimeters of clear resin in the mold, and then after it gets a bit sticky and hard, I replace the pine coins inside my mold, and then I make clear resin and I pour inside the mold, but not all of it. It's important that this part gets done slowly and layer by layer. If you pour all of it at the one step, you will have a lot of bubbles. For me, it took 5 days to get to this level. And then here I use a sandpaper machine to have a very smooth finishing layer and edges. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask in the comments.